Today we're going to be unboxing the AFERY Nano100. This little power station is perfect for travel and for some of your side projects and your gadgets from Meshtastic and hacking gadgets. I'm going to unbox this and go over some of the specs of this. Skip to the timestamp below if you want to skip the unboxing. And that's it for the unboxing. So this thing comes with a little adapter where you can plug in solar panels to help charge this device, but I didn't end up getting the solar panels with this. And the reason why I like this power station is because it's not as big as a solar power generator, and it's something small but yet big enough where it can power most of your gadgets. Now, this device can charge 3 gadgets at once. You're going to see in the background me cycling through a lot of my gadgets, demonstrating what it can charge. The display is really nice. It tells you the percentage of the power bank as well as how much power is going in, and how long it would take for it to get a full charge, as well as how much power is going out and how long it would take for the battery to die. And unlike cheap battery packs, this uses LiPo4 chemistry, so it's safer, more stable, and rated for longer battery life. They claim around 2,000 cycles before it starts dropping down to 80% capacity. So this thing is a 99 watt hour unit, about 31,000 milliamp hours. The cool part is that it's right under the airline limit, so this is a travel-friendly power bank as well. You get a 100-watt USB-C PD port, so you can actually charge laptops, CyberDeck builds, and anything with a modern USB Type-C. There's also a secondary USB Type-C port up to 45 watts, great for tablets and smaller gear. And you also have a USB-A power output. The total power output is 145 watts combined, so you can run multiple devices at once. Because it charges through USB Type-C PD, you can pair this with a foldable solar panel for recharging off the grid. With any good 60 to 100 watt solar panel, you could realistically recharge this in a few hours. Now, this power bank is the perfect in-between between an actual solar generator and having a cheap battery pack that you get off of Amazon. This is something right in the middle. This could be good for a lot of reasons. This would be good for off-grid communications. This would be good for just having around during a blackout scenario where you have something a little bit more powerful that will last longer, that could be charged by solar in your arsenal during those events. Let me know what you think about this piece of survival tech in the comment section. I'm, for one, happy to have it. This is perfect timing for me because currently we're having a really big snowstorm while I'm recording. And just in case the power goes out, at least I know I can power my phone and my gadgets. I will leave product information in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and remember that safety is an illusion.